Ma'am, south.
South, ma'am.
Okay, the correct answer is south. Correct answer is south. Okay. So number 6 now for team B. According to dash, according to dash, the official language of the Indian Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. In Devanagari script. रिपीट करती हूँ क्वेश्चन में. अकॉर्डिंग टू डैश the official language of the Indian Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. Okay, the option is option A, article 343, article 343, option B, article 270, article 270, option C, article 19, article 19, option D, article 27, article 27. Okay, the correct answer is article 343. Correct answer. Okay, next one is for team A के लिए ना अभी. This is for
Yes,
team,
ma'am.
हाँ, for team A. The dash of Indian Constitute, the dash of Indian Constitution contains a list of 22 languages. The option is A, 11th schedule. Option is A, 11th schedule. Option B, 18th schedule. 18th schedule. C, 12th schedule and 10th schedule. 12th schedule and 10th schedule. Yes, the correct answer is 18th schedule. Okay. Now the next question is for team B. The state of Maharashtra has the state of Maharashtra has dash language as listed in the 18th schedule as its sole official language. The option is A, Hindi, B, Konkani, C, Malwani, and D, Marathi. What will be the correct answer?
Ma'am, Marathi.
Yes, Marathi will be the correct answer. दो
Ma'am,
मिनट.
Marathi.
Marathi, correct. Marathi will be the correct answer. Okay. So next for team A. 10 तक हम लोग कंटिन्यू करके फिर थोड़ा स्टॉप लेंगे. हाँ, टीम ए के लिए द टर्म कास्ट इज derived, the caste is derived from dash word caste, meaning breed or lineage. The option is French, Sanskrit, Spanish, Latin. Your time starts. The correct answer is C, Spanish. Okay, this will be your correct answer. Now the question 10 is for team B. Dash is often considered as the economic indicator of the economic development of the country. Option A, urbanization. Option B, population. Option C, education. And option D is development. Your time starts now. Urbanization. Okay, the correct answer is urbanization. Okay, so next question for team A. Shwetambar and dash are two sects of Jainism. ये बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन भी आपको आंसर आ सकता है. नंबर ए, ऑप्शन ए दिगंबर. ऑप्शन बी पीतांबर. ऑप्शन सी महालयाना. And option C, none of the above.
मैम दिगंबर.
None of the क्या आएगा आंसर इसका बोलो. The answer
दिगंबर.
is Digambar. Yes, the correct answer is Digambar. Correct answer. Okay. Now the last question for this meeting, number 12 for team B. The social and political forces that influence the growth of a human being are defined as option A, culture. Option B, demography. Option C, public policy. Option D, religion. Your time starts now. Correct answer is culture. The correct answer is culture. Okay.